Today, I'll show you how to record a voiceover directly inside KineMaster. This feature is perfect for adding narration, commentary, or even dubbing your video. First, import your main video into the timeline. Now, go to the circular toolbar on the right hand side and tap on Record. This will bring up the recording panel. To begin, simply tap on Start. Your video will start playing in the preview window so you can record your narration while staying perfectly in sync with the visuals. Once you're done speaking, just tap Stop. The voiceover will automatically appear as an audio track right beneath your video in the timeline. From here, you have full control. You can trim the audio, move it to match a specific part of the video, or adjust the volume so it blends nicely with any background music. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a voiceover inside KineMaster, all without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.